Well, you fought real good out there, Tychus. Your time in the freezer didn't dull your edge none.
Well, fear and violence always did bring out the best in me.
Have to admit, we always did make a good team.
Yeah. Well, that was until I went to prison and you went legit.
Right.
This is Kate Lockwell reporting from UNN headquarters on Core Hall. Let's go to Donnie Vermillion on special assignment.
Kate, I'm very pleased to be talking to General Horace Warfield. General, I understand that Dominion forces will soon be showing off their newest weapon, the Odin War Machine.
That's correct, Donnie. We'll show the Odin on the streets of Core Hall itself, with full coverage from your fine network.
General, Kate Lockwell here. I've heard rumblings about some sort of logistics trouble with the Odin's debut.
Now, Kate...
It's true, Kate. The Odin was delayed in shipping, and we briefly lost communication with the production facility. But it arrived safely, so we can go ahead with the unveiling.
You heard it here first. The Dominion unveiling new weapons of destruction on the streets of Core Hall. What is wrong with that woman? Tell her not to interrupt my interviews!
Your boy Horner is actually pulling this off. Gotta say, I'm mighty impressed.
So how does the Odin rate as a fighting machine?
Brother, it is the single greatest creation in the history of mankind. Striding around and dispensing righteous fury just about brought a tear to my eye. You just let me know when I can take it out for another spin.
You'll get your chance soon enough, old buddy. Don't you worry.
Ever wonder why Minx don't just send him ghosts to kill ya? You've been a thorn in his side for a long time.
Assassinating me just turned me into a martyr. He'd never be rid of me then. He needs to kill my reputation first.
Very good. You think clearly despite your hate for him. Course his patience has got limits too. Tread careful, Mr. Rayner. Someone on this ship is already working for Minsk. I can feel it.
So Swan, what are the chances we can build something like that Odin?
You nuts? No way we've got the facilities for mass-producing hardware on that scale.
And here I was thinking you could build anything, Swan.
Cute. All right, forget the scale. I'm gonna figure it out, don't you worry. And I'll come up with something a damn sight more practical than that showpiece. You see if I don't.
Sir, when Tychus came back aboard the ship, I had the techs run a scan on him.
Matt, you need to get a hobby.
Seriously, sir. His suit contains a sophisticated transponder. If it receives the correct code, it'll shut down all his major organs. That suit is a death trap.
He's got a gun to his head.
And who's got their finger on the trigger? Mobius?
Tychus, what have you gotten yourself into?
We have the Odin. Now we can use it to spearhead our takeover of the UNN studios on Core Hall. Once the Odin has taken out their defenses, we'll broadcast our evidence against Minsk. Figure they'll throw everything they have at us. They'll be talking about this one for years.
Our raid on the Valhalla facility hasn't even been reported yet. The Dominion have no idea we stole the Odin. I had to call in every favor I had, but I got the Odin on the surface with Tychus inside.
Matt, You're a miracle worker. Must have been a complicated operation.
You don't even want to know, sir. I'm not gonna let anything keep us from exposing Minsk.
So they're still expecting to film it at the UNN studios later today?
That's right. And we won't disappoint them. Seeing as he's the only one with experience, Tychus will pilot the Odin and hit the studio guards with a surprise attack. They'll be confused for several minutes, and won't even know who to attack at first.
And during the confusion, we'll establish a forward base using this command center we acquired earlier. Pretty devious, Matt. I like it.
If Tychus can inflict enough damage during the sneak attack, making the broadcast should be relatively easy. Keep in mind, we'll only have a few minutes before the Dominion realize that Tychus is in the Odin. Once they figure it out, they'll use everything they've got to stop us.
Whatever happens, we'll be giving Mex one hell of a broadcast. Let's do this.
I'm in the Dominion security network, bringing up their locations now.
All right, Tychus. Do your thing.
Thought you'd never ask.
Followed me home. Can I keep it?
Odin has gone rogue. Repeat, Odin has gone rogue. Bring it down! Attention, rogue pilot. This is General Warfield of Dominion Command. You're ordered to stand down or face immediate termination.
Make room for the big dog.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Heavy duty. This'll get her done.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Make room for the big dog. I like it. This'll get her done. Heavy duty. I like it. Heavy duty.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Make room for the big dog. This'll get her done. Make room for the big dog. He followed me home. Can I keep it? This'll get her done.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Heavy duty. Make room for the big dog. I like it.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
I like it. Heavy
Not enough energy.
This'll get her done. Make room for the big dog.
An alert's gone out. It won't be long before they shut me out of their system.
Don't rush me, kid. Can't a man take some pleasure in his work?
This'll get her done. I like it. Heavy duty. I like it.
Drag, rock and roll.
We're almost out of time.
So are these guys. Don't sweat it.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Make room for the big dog. This will get her done. Make room for the big.
The Dominion switched to a secure channel. I can't track their positions anymore. But I have gained access to the UNN network. We'll need troops to stay close to one of the broadcast towers long enough to get our message out. For our broadcast to reach all of Dominion space, we'll need to control each broadcast tower long enough to upload the data. Any unit type can maintain control.
You can bet Max will have something to say about that. Let's get moving.
Ben.
If I...
Our base is up and running. I'm transferring control of it to you now, sir.
SCV ready.
Let's see what this baby's got.
Hardware inbound. These stores are smaller than the Odin, but they handle better and they still hit hard. Enjoy.
That big dog is all mine. Get... Now keep it.
Ah! You scared me! Yes, sir! What's going on? Uh-huh.
Heavy duty. I like it. This'll get her done. Make room for the big dog.
Fix the op, will ya? Go ahead. SCV ready. Big job, huh? Yo. Go ahead. We hear you. Huh?
Been waiting on you. Let's see what this baby's got.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
I like it.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready.
Upgrade complete.
Yeah, click me.
SCV ready. Ah! You scared me! Yep. SCV ready. Bad news?
The doctor is in.
This better be good.
Please state the name.
Not enough minerals.
Who wants some? Orders received.
It followed me home.
Add-on complete.
Make room for the big dog. This'll get her done. Heavy duty.
in the rear.
Hope this thing's insured.
Roger.
Let's see what this baby's got. I like it.
Add-on complete.
Heavy duty. This'll get her done. Make room for the big dog. I like it.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Additional supply depots required. Not enough minerals.
You're the boss. I can't build here.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. Base is under attack.
Believe it.
It followed me home. Can I keep it?
I hear you. We could use some help here.
Let's see what this baby's got.
Not enough energy. Not enough energy. Upgrade complete.
Go ahead. What's that? SCV ready. Use the thunder. Lay it on me. Rock and I am here. Click me. SCV ready. 10-4.
It followed me home. Can I keep it?
Ragnar, rock and roll. Speak up. Give us your best shot. What's our target? Need something loaded up? Ride on. SCV ready. Yes, sir. Go ahead. No problem. Who wants some? Gangway.
Additional supply depots required.
Get me back into the fight!
Additional supply depots required.
Behold the Dominion's newest weapon of war, the Odin.
What's that? What's our target? I'll give it. Go ahead. Huh?
Upgrade complete.
Yep. Big job, huh? What's going on? Will do.
This better be good. By the numbers, boys. Forward to it. Gangway, coming through.
Got no patience sitting around. Give us your best shot. Need something to load up?
Just go on.
Rolling out.
I'm in a world of hurt. Go. By the numbers, boys.
Base is under attack.
Sure. You got it. Sure enough, Sparky.
Not enough energy. Not enough energy.
SCV ready. In the rear with the gear. Yep. I'm in a world of hurt. Been waiting on you.
Need something to load up? I can't push on. Lay it on.
This better be good.
You rang?
Security breach at one of the towers. Strike Team Alpha, engage. Stop them.
No problem. Big job, huh? Who wants some?
I'm in deep.
Mineral field depleted.
Roger. Yep. I'm going. Yeah. Sure thing.
First transmission uploaded. Even Meng's won't be able to wriggle out of this one.
Incoming transmission.
There's only one man arrogant enough to think he can get away with this. Raynor.
Ha! Just for once, Arcturus, this really is all about you. I hope you enjoy our show.
I knew it. Warfield, get your men down there. I want Raynor's head, you understand? Him and all his terrorist friends.
The doctor is in.
SCV ready.
The doctor is in.
It's all me.
Been waiting. By the numbers.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
The doctor is in.
This'll get her done. Ragnar, rock and roll. You gonna give me orders?
Mineral field upgraded. Complete.
What's that?
Upgrade complete.
Let's roll. Lay it on me.
Armed and ready. Got a whole lot of luck. You gonna get... Just say...
Strike Team Charlie, get to that tower. Bring down those rebels.
Got it.
Additional supply depots required. Additional supply add-on complete. Additional supply depots required.
We're almost done transmitting Meng's dirty little secret to the Dominion.
Add-on unacceptable command. We are at maximum supply.
Let's hope this thing's insured.
This mighty steel giant stands as a testimony to the skill and determination of our Dominion engineers and scientists.
Been waiting on you.
Got no patience. Go ahead.
Human tenacity and ingenuity have come together to forge the final answer to the threat.
Mineral field depleted.
Been waiting on you.
Mineral field depleted.
You gonna get me over?
Got no patience for Cinder. What's that? Have him met. Definitely.
Some might balk at the cost of such a magnificent machine, but I say to you, what price do you put on your loved one's security?
I'm in deep.
Roger that.
Mineral field upgrade complete.
Got it.
Our SCVs mineral field depleted.
Go ahead.
Roger that. Sure thing.
Lay it on. Need something float up?
Want some? Aye, aye, sir.
Go ahead.
They're attacking a tower. Strike Team Bravo. Take them out.
What's that? Lay it on. Have him met. Give us. Got no patience. Get me back into the fight. Need something float up? What's our target?
Please be out, will ya? Can do. That's fine. Will do. Armed and ready. Why not? Go ahead, huh? Big jump.
That's the last one. Let's see what the people will think of their beloved Emperor now.
All transmissions have been sent, sir. Every world in the Dominion just got a UNN special bulletin about Minsk.